Another quadratic where we're being asked to solve by completing the square. So of course I want to leave these two things on the left side of the equation, and I want to move this over to the other side, which is a little unusual because normally when we're solving quadratics we want one side to equal 0, but not when we're using this method. So if I subtract a 47 from both sides, I'll have x squared plus 14x plus a big fat blank. Subtracting 47 puts a negative 47 on this side, plus another blank. And then what goes in those blanks? Whatever half of this thing squared is. So half of this thing is 7, squared is 49. I'll put a 49 in both of these. Okay, then this is a perfect square trinomial. It's got the plus sign in the middle, so it's going to be of the form x plus something squared. And that something is whatever half of this was, or whatever I squared to get this. Either way, it's the same number. It's going to be a 7 in there. And then the right side, we can combine those like terms to get a positive 2. Now we're trying to isolate this x by undoing what was done. There's nothing on the outside of these parentheses to add or subtract. There's nothing on the outside to multiply or divide. So we can go straight to getting rid of the exponent by square rooting both sides. There's two things we can square to get 2. It's going to either be positive root 2 or negative root 2. So I'll put a plus or a minus radical 2. This radical does not simplify because 2 is prime. And then the left side, of course, is just going to be plain old x plus 7. And to get this x by itself, I'll subtract 7 from both sides, giving me x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 2. And as always, you can't combine these because they're not like terms. And if Alex doesn't have that plus or minus symbol, you're going to go with negative 7 plus root 2 is one answer, and negative 7 minus root 2 is your other answer. I hope this is making sense. It's a kind of a very neat way to solve quadratics, pretty tricky. And this completing the square stuff comes up later on. So definitely I hope it's you're making peace of it and it's going well. Okay, good luck. Have a good day.